So welcome to BHSR VLM Degree College. So in this session, I'm going to explain about the programming in C. While I'm using the C programming, in previous class I was discussed about the uh, equal statements and if statements and nested equal statements. Okay. So this package belongs to second week of computer applications in the fourth semester. Sorry, in the fourth semester. In the fourth semester. Program named as programming in C. Program named as app title is programming in C. Okay, so in previous class I was discussed about the if else statements and nested equal statements. Okay, so that is we call as a nested equals ladder. Okay, so today I am going to explain the topic is called as a switch statements. What is that? Switch statements. Switch statement is also belongs to the control structures. Control structures. So in this control structures, there is a if else nested equals and else if ladder, and there is a combination of the statements are available in these sessions, and the last session is called as switch statements. Okay, what is switch statement here? So switch is the an alternate of the if else ladder. Okay, else if ladder. Okay, it is the an alternate of the else if ladder. Just means it seems to be seems like that it having the more expressions, more cases are available here, but it having the only one statement to execute here. Okay, in this else if ladder there is a number of statements are available here, there is a number of conditions are available here. Okay, in this scenario, if any case, if any condition is true, the case will be executing, the remaining rest of the cases are not executing here. So in the same scenario, in the switch statement is also getting the same answer here. So if any expression is true, that will be execute here. The remaining rest of the statements are not going to execute here. Okay. So in the default, there is a default case are available here. So default means what here? In the all switch expressions are going to fail, and the remaining the last one is called as the default case. This case will be going to execute here. This case will be going to execute here. That is we called as a switch expression here. That is we called as a switch expression here. So in this switch expression, it having the number of multiple cases are available here. The number of multiple cases are available here. So in this session, I'm going to discuss about the switch expression here. Okay. So switch is means what here? Switch is an alternative of the equals ladder. Okay. It is the alternative. This is called as a alternative of the alternative of the equals ladder. Okay, the statement is seems to be like this. It look like a switch expression. So it is an alternate of the if else ladder. It having the it seems to be like this ladder. It look like a ladder here. So there is a ladder here. So in this ladder there is a number of steps are available here. There is a number of steps are available here. Okay, if you want to climb any tree or any house or anything, you have to going to executing first step, second step, third step, fourth, fifth steps. Okay, so having the only 5 steps to climb this any up. Okay, so in this scenario, some of the heights are reached by the 3 steps here. Some of the heights are reached by the 4 steps here. Some of the steps are going to perform the second or first step. Okay, in some scenarios, the height is not suitable with this ladder. In that situation, you have to going to trial this trial and the last step, that is called as the default case. In this default case, we have to go to, and this is the execution. Last case is called as a default case. If the steps are not matched with that height, we have to try it at the last step. At the last step, we have to reach that goal very easily. Okay, the switch expression is seems to be the look like a ladder. It having the number of steps are available here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on here. Okay, in the same scenario, there is a number of cases are available here. That is called case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Okay, our last case is called as a default case. It is called as a default case. From this case, we have to try this to execute the program here. Okay, so this is seems to be a ladder, if else ladder. So it is an alternative of the else if ladder here, and switch expression is also having the, it seems to be like this, so ladder here, and it having the more cases are available here, the more cases are available here. So in this cases you have to doing the switch expression will be matched with, if any case expression that will be executed here. Okay, if the switch expression is not matched with any cases of the switch expression, you have to directly going to execute the default case here. You have to directly going to executing the default case here, that is we call as a switch expression here, that is we call as a switch expression here. Okay, so in this session I'm going to declaring some syntax here. I'm going to defining some syntax here. In this syntax, the switch expression is going to write like this. So you have to use the keyword is called as a switch here. So in this switch expression you have to write here, there is an expression here. Here there is an expression here. So with this expression, it is with the expression it is called, with the switch expression is matched with the cases, that case will be executes. Okay, if the switch expression is not matched with these cases, then the default case will be executed. What is the default case will be here? Let us see here and open curly brace. So we have to write case and label 1 here, label 1 colon, and we have to write the statements, and you have to write break statement for stopping the statements case. Okay, so we have to use another case, that is for case 2, case 1, case 2, or case label 1, whatever label, label 2 colon, and the statements are also using here statements and chocolate statements. We have to write break here. Okay, and then there is a number of case label 3, label 4, case label 5, case label 6, case label 7, up to so on here. Okay, up to so on and n, and we have to write the last case is called as a default case. Default case. So here there is a statements are available here. There is a statements are available here. So we have to close this switch expression. Okay, this is called as simply called as a switch syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, so syntax is the very important while you are going to explain anything in the C languages. Okay, without syntax you should not write any meaningful programming in the switch expression or whatever it here. Okay, so if you want to learn the C language, you have to know the syntaxes of the programs here, the syntaxes of the program here. So in this session there is a switch keyword is also available here, and there is a number of keywords are available here in this sessions. That is called as the first one is called as switch expression, switch keyword, and case keyword, and break keyword, and default keyword. There is a some keywords are available here, that is we called as a here. There is a number of keywords are available here, that is named as switch, case, break, and default. These are the keywords of the switch expression here. Okay, so what is switch expression here? You are entering at the runtime, the value can be carried to here, and it can check this expressions. Okay, if you are entering the letter, is should be matched with this switch expression. Okay, that's where the variable can be carried here and placed here. Okay, this variable, that means this expression is matched with this case label name. Okay, this expression is matched with this case 1. This case will be executing. After executing the statements, it will be break here. That means whenever the break statements appear, automatically the switch expression is total switch expression is skipped here. Total expression is skipped here because of the break statements. So what is break statement here? The break statement is one of the statement. Using the break statements, we can stop the flow of the switch expression here. Flow of the switch expression here. That's why. So that's why we are going to specifying that switch here. Okay, so see here, So see here, and if any expression is matched with this case label, automatically this case will be executes the statements and later it going to break here. So what is break statement here? The break statement is one of the statements which is occurred in the switch expression. Whenever this break statement is occurred, automatically the switch expression is going to stop here. That means it's going to stop the switch expression here. That's why I'm writing the break statements here. Okay. So if the case is labeled, that means the switch expression is not matched with the case one here, and it's going to check the case to label to here. Okay. So it is labeled to, if it is expression, the switch expression is matched with the this case, it's going to execute the statements. Okay, and they're going to break the statements, and the remaining rest of the statements are not going to execute here, not going to check the here. Okay, so whenever the break statement is visited or pasted, automatically the switch expression is going to stop here. Okay, that is the switch expression here. Okay, and in this session, each and every case will be evaluated with the switch expression. If any expression is matched with that these cases, that case will be executed, and the rest of the cases are not executed here. Okay, so if the switch expression is not matched with these all types of the cases, hence the default case is one of the default case is also available here. So this is placed in the at the bottom of the switch expression. If the if the switch expression is not matched with these cases of the switch here, then it going to directly execute the default case here, because of the default keyword is indicate the default case here, because of the default case is indicate the default case here. So in this session, it going to the statements and close the statements. So in this session, there is no need to type in any break statements while you are using in the default case, because of the this is the long statements, and so no need to specify this is the we have to stop this program here. Okay, so here we have to specify this break here, because of the there is a number of lines after break statements. Okay, because this having the no statements to execute here. Okay, this is the last statements, hence no need to specify the this is the last statement or stop the program here. Okay, that's why I'm not specifying any break statements here. Okay, so the switch expression is matched with, if it is any matched with any expression, that case will be executed, otherwise the default case will be going to execute here. If the all cases are failed to execute here, then the going to default case will be executing in the program here. Okay, this is the switch expression here, this is the switch expression here. You have to copy this syntax within the within your running notes here. Okay, copy this code here. So next one is going to write the program here. So the program is going to write given characters vowel or consonant. In this program, you are going to write this program is very clearly, and evaluating also very clearly. And there is a number of examples that I am giving with the switch expression. But in this class, I am going to explain only one expression, only one program, that is we call as a, whether the given character is, whether they enter the character is consonant or vowel here. Okay, so in this concept there is a 5 vowels are available here, named as a e I o u. Okay, the rest of the 21 letters are belongs to the what here, the rest of the 1 letters are belongs to the consonants. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of the English letters here. Okay, So you have to write this program with the help of the switch. So firstly you have to check the given character is vowel or consonant. So in this vowel or consonant you have to write within the comment section, you have to write this, that is called as a, so comment section program for check check given character is vowel or consonant. Okay, so and we have to close this tab. Okay, so in this session you have to write this with the header files, that is called hash input std.h, and you have to write with the main here. So in this session you have to write this like this, hash include, you have to write this, that is called hash include stdio.h. std.h means what here? Standard input and output files in the header files here. Okay, this is the header files. Header files are created by the files topics. So at the time of the files topics, I will discuss about these topics. Okay, it is a second become in the fourth semester. There is a no files topics are available here. Okay, files topics are available in the only for especially BSc students, not for the Become students here. Okay, so let us see here. So program here, and we have to write the main here and open curly brace, and we have to declare some variable that is called as the char ch. So char is the one of the data type and ch is the one of the variable. So this variable can hold only characters also here. Okay, and we have to write clr scl. You have to write clr scl and semicolon here and semicolon here. This is used to clear the previous output of the programs here. That's why you have to clear this clr scl. Okay, so without these statements the program is executing, but without these statements the rest of the remaining program outputs also we can see this here. Okay, so on the situation we have to getting the confusion what is the output of the program here. So that's why I have to delete the previous programs outputs using the CLRSCL. CLRSCL means what here? Clear the screen here. Okay, CLRSCL, and I am going to write the printer statements. Printer statements. In the printer statements, enter any alphabet. Any alphabet, and they have to use scan, and the scan is also used as a gets in or puts or printer. You have to use the scan statement. It is called C, comma ampersand ch. Ampersand ch. Because of which ch is the one of the variable. It can hold the percentage C. Percentage C is the one of the access specifier of the ch. Ch means what here? Ch is the character here. Okay. So if it is character, you have to specify the percentage C. Percentages for string here. Okay, so if you are specifying the percentage d here, it is belongs to integer here. Okay, so in this scenario you have to use the switch expression like this. Switch, that expression is belongs to place with the ch, that's why you have to use ch here. Okay, so there is a no semicolon for available here. You have to write the like this. The print case, you have to write case. In the case you have to write like this a. So in the single quotes we have to write column. In this column we have to write printer. In the printer we have to spell percentage C is vowel. So this we have to CH here. Okay, in the CH contains place here CH. That means A is the vowel, and we have to break here. This is the first statement of here. Okay, this is the case A here, and we have to write the case B. and we have to write only 5 cases are also available. First one is the case A and second one is the case C. So I'm writing very fast using with fast this video. So this is the entire program of the to enter the given characters over or consonant here. So in this session I'm going to explain here. So there is a hash include std.h main gas ch clr printer enter any alphabet double quotes semicolon here, and we have to scan of the segment is called as percentage C here within the double quotes comma ch here. Okay, this is the input statement, this is the output statement of the program here. Okay, so switch ch and open curly brace case a. In the case a is going to tell us about the printer percentage C is the vowel ch break, and going to e case e. So e having the single quotes here because of the e is a single letter, that means the character is employed with the single letter, and string is employed with the double quotes here. Okay, so that's why I'm employed with the single character, and percentage C is the vowel ch break case I printer percentage C is vowel ch break case O printer percentage C vowel ch break case U printer percentage C vowel ch break default printer percentage C consonant ch here. Okay, so let me explain the how to execute the program here while we are entering into the any alphabet here. Okay, so in this session we have to save the program before going to compile this program. You have to save it with the F2 here. You have to save it F2 here and enter the program name here. We have to enter with extension list dot c here, with extension list dot c here. Okay, after the saving the program, we have to compile the program to evaluate the how many errors are available in the program here. Okay, if the program is having the any errors in the program while you are compiling the program, so the program did not get the any answer here. Okay, if you want to the getting the answer, if you want to get the answer, you have to clear the errors here. The errors are going to 0 and the warnings are going to 0. Okay, this is the successful uh, execution of the compilation of the program here. Okay, after that compiling, we have to run the program here with the alt plus R here, or control F9. We have to control F9 is used to execute the program here, that is the runtime here. Okay, so when we are going to run the program here, automatically the program going to execute here. Okay, so in C programming language, C program is going to execute from main function. Okay, the main function is written within the program as top of the program here. So that's why the program is going to executing design is called as a top to bottom approach, because of the main method, the main function is can be placed at the top of the program. That's why the program is going to execute the from top to bottom approach here. So that's why C language is going to top to bottom approach here. Okay, so in this sessions the main is here and this char is here, and ch is the one of the variable, ch is the one of the variable storing of the character variables here. Okay, and clrs here is the one of the string, one of the function. By using the clrs here we can arrange the before program outputs here on the console here. Okay, if they getting the before program also getting the same output on the same console, the user can get may confused here because of the two outputs of the at a time here. Okay, so that's why we have to arrange it with the clrsr functions here. Okay, so in this session we have to go to write to enter any alphabet. Okay, it asks that at the runtime enter any alphabet here. Okay, so the output of the program here is going to be like this. So this is output here, so in this output, so it asks what it asks, enter any alphabet. Just wait. Any alphabet, and we have to enter some letter in the uh, computers. We have to enter A. We have to enter A here, and going to execute here and check the condition. The ch variable is the one of the variable. It can hold the a here. So a is the character variable, hence it is going to directly place in the ch here. Then the program is going to treat it as a is the ch variable. That's why it is the character variable. You have to accept the a here and going to place the ch here. Okay, that means ch is nothing but a here. Ch is nothing but a here. That's why we can check the condition like this. So it can check the condition here and ch. Ch means what here? Ch means is a here. Ch is nothing but a here. Okay. If the expression is matched with any cases, this is one case, second, third, fourth, fifth cases. We can check the condition here. Okay. So this expression is matched with this case. Okay. It is also matched with this case source. Okay. This expression is also matched with this case. That's why it executes here. Okay. If the expression is not matched with this case, it not executes here. Okay. So the first case is called as a case A. So expression is also A. This is matched with the same element, and the printf is going to execute the printf statements. Okay. In the ch contains what here? Ch contains A here, and the A is vowel. And the program executes, the print answer is A is vowel here. That is called A is vowel. Okay. So then break the program here, stop the program here, and automatically the entire program will be stopped the switch here, and the last program is going to stop here. Okay. So this is the one of the output. Our output is A is vowel here. A is vowel here. Okay. So and program again going to execute the same with the different values. So for example, here we can enter the B value. Here we can enter B value. So whenever I enter B, it is going to place with the CH. That means CH is nothing but B here. CH is nothing but B here, and it is the switch expression here. And this statement will be matched with this case. It is not matched because of it here A, it here B, and here B is not matched with E. And you can check the condition. B is not matched with I. B is not matched with O. B is not matched with U. Okay, all the cases of the switch cases are also false here. Then it is going to directly execute the remaining case, that is called default case. So this default case, there is a percentage C is consonant. So CH contains what here? B is the CH here. So hence the answer is executing this statement. The output is called as a B is consonant. This is the output of the program here. This is the output of the program here. Okay. So I'm going to explain with the this is the consonant. Okay. If you are entering the U here, if you are entering into the U here in this session, you are going to entering into the U here while you are runtime space. So in that scenario, enter any alphabet here. If you are entering any U, and the CH is treated as a U here, and the switch expression is carried with U here, and U is matched with this expression. This is not matched with that expression, and it going to take this with the case E. U is not matched with E here, and going to next case. In this case contains I here. U is not matched with I here, and the test is not execute here, and the U is not matched with O here, and it is also not executed here, and U is matched with this expression. Okay. Whenever the expression is matched with the switch expression, automatically that case will be executed here. That's why this case will be executed here. In this case, CH contains what here? CH contains U here. U is vowel here. Okay. The program is executing in the same scenario with different uh, entering your alphabets here. Okay. So this is the switch program. You have to copy the entire program. You have to pause this video and copy this entire video to in your running notes and executing the program. If you are having any computers, you have to use this program to execute the in your systems here. Okay. Okay, this is the switch expression. This program is going to check the given characters vowel or consonant is the one of the program here. You have to copy this code here. Okay. Okay, this is the class of the switch expression. If you having any doubts, please ask me after watching this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.